Yes. So welcome today class. So NEET JEE 2021 target. So my name is Dr. Veera Prakash. So my contact number is 7981768244. This is my WhatsApp number. So you have any clarification need in organic chemistry or organic or physical or inorganic chemistry, please ask me and contact me in this number. And also you can mail me that the mail id is Veera CLRI Central Leather Research Institute Veera CLRI at gmail.com. So I did my PhD under the supervision of Dr. T. Narasimhaswamy, CSIR Institute, Chennai. So today I would like to ask some very tough, challenging questions. So challenging and compulsory questions. Compulsory questions. These questions are compulsory expected. So now the top 10 are there. So first one, for example, isobutane is there and chlorine HNO, the A product, and again upon reaction with sodium hydroxide and H2O, and B product, again this one with diborane B2H6, and C product, again hydrogen peroxide oxidation, so followed by hydrolysis, so D product, again PCC, so oxidation, E product, again reaction with allyl magnesium bromide, F product, again so HCl hydrolysis, it gives the G product. So what are these products? Student must be tell the answer. Please understood that. So what is the A product here? So because free radical substitution reaction, because of chlorine is there, and so that here because of this free radical, a tertiary butyl free radical is a more stable, so that what is the product? So isobutyl chloride. Isobutyl chloride is the answer. And what is the B? B is the E2 reaction, elimination, E1 elimination product. So isobutane is the product, isobutane. So isobutane reaction with hydroboration reaction, so what will form? So now here I can write, so this is the CH2 and BH2, so alkyl borane. So now this isobutyl borane is compound C. And what is the oxidation by using of hydrogen peroxide? We know that. So what is the, so insertion of oxygen, and so like that, so oxy. So now this is the D product, and upon hydrolysis in presence of a oxidation, so what is the product? Isobutyl alcohol, primary alcohol. So this is the, we know that hydroboration oxidation will give the less substituted product, primary alcohol. So this is the primary alcohol is the D product. So upon oxidation, so oxidation of PCC reagent, so it will convert into the aldehyde. So now this is the compound E product E. Then again F, so this one reaction with allyl magnesium bromide, so what will form? So F product is, so O minus MgBr and isopropyl, like this. So this is F product. So upon hydrolysis it will convert to G product to alcohol, so OH, so like this. So now this is the G product. So this is very important, and conversion you can see a lot of steps are involved in in this conversion, and this is the first question, first conversion. So right, second one, we will see the second conversion in examination is very very important. So for example, epoxide is there. So epoxide reaction with propyl magnesium bromide, so it gives the A product. Okay, so upon HCl and hydrolysis it gives the B product again. So B product reaction with PCC, so it gives the C product, again reaction with propyl magnesium bromide, D product, again reaction with HCl and H2O, E product. So please identify what are the products in this reaction. So first one is the, because it is epoxide, so epoxide, it is a nucleophilic substitution reaction, so that SN2, so what is A now? So O MgBr and CH2, then CH2, CH3. So this is, so 1 2 3 4 5. So pentyl, N pentyl, what is the name of this one? N pentyl magnesium oxy bromide, magnesium oxy bromide. So then what is the so this one, upon hydrolysis in presence of HCl and H2O, so it gives the pentyl alcohol. 1 2 3 4 5, right, pentyl alcohol. So this is the compound B, and compound B upon PCC oxidation, so pentanol, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the C product, pentanol, 1 pentanol. So 1 pentanol reaction with propyl magnesium bromide, so what will form? Compound D is the nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, so here O MgBr and CH2 like that. So this is D product. Upon just hydrolysis by using in acidic medium, so it will form alcohol. So one side propyl and another side like that. So now it is the secondary alcohol. So this is like this we have to practice. And third question, third one, for example, alkene is there. So alkenes, first one ozonolysis, A product, again dimethyl sulfide and B product. So upon this B product, a reaction with two equivalents of Wittig reagent, triphenyl phosphine methylene. So and it gives the C product. Then excess hydrogen by using a palladium catalyst, and it gives the D product. So students must be, what is the first one? Ozonide formation, A. So what is the A? Ozonide, right? Because like this, so like this is the A product. Ozonide in presence of a dimethyl sulfide, okay, dimethyl sulfide converted into dimethyl sulfoxide, so that what is the B product? So B product is like this. Okay, ketone, then like that. So like this, you can add one oxygen here and one oxygen here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, actually 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let it be like this. Yeah, 6, 7, 8 like that. So this is the compound B. So this one, two equivalents of Wittig reaction. So this C double bond O is converted into alkene. So what is that C product? C product is like this. C product is just C double bond will become CH2. C double bond will become CH2. So this is the C product. So because alkenes hydrogenation by using of palladium hydrogen gas, so it can convert into alkane. So like this. So now double bonds become single bond. So this is the D product. So this is also very good conversion in examination. Then so another interesting is the fourth one. So first example, this is alkyne. So alkyne reaction with one equivalent of sodamide, what is A product, and upon reaction with formaldehyde, so addition product B product. Upon reaction with HCl and H2O, C product. Again further a reaction with oxidation H2CrO4, D product. So upon reaction with this one isopropyl magnesium bromide, E product, and further and HCl H2O hydrolysis, compound F product. So student must be identify what is A product, B product, C product, D and E and F. So in this one, first I can write here, because of acidic hydrogen in presence of a sodamide is a very strong base, it will form like that, sodium acetylide. So in this one, sodium 1, 2, 3 propine, sodium propiolide it will form. So this is the A product. So once this sodium propiolide, because C minus is a nucleophile, so addition reaction will taking place. So what is the B here, and like that. So O minus Na plus, and you can see like that. So now a triple bond will be there. Yeah. So this is the nucleophile 1, 2, 3, right. So upon hydrolysis it will form alcohol. So what is the C product? Alkyne is there and OH is there. Alkyne is there, OH is there. So you can see. So alcohols, we know that H2CrO4, chromic acid, in presence of chromic acid undergoes oxidation. So it gives the ketone. So once it will form a ketone with magnesium bromide, because 1,2 addition product. So what is that? This is the D product, and E product is so O minus MgBr, and isopropyl is there and alkyne. So this is the E product. So then hydrolysis here HOH. So what is the F product here? So tertiary alcohol like that. So this is the F product. So what is the IUPAC name of this one? So highest chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, because it is the longest chain. Right. So like this. So 5-methyl, 4, 5 dimethyl, 4 hydroxy, 2 hexane. So this is the product. Thank you.